To set custom ringtone in Google Pixel 9 Pro and Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, I'll first cover all contacts at once, then specific contacts. So for all contacts, we first open settings, then we will select sound and vibration, and then we see phone ringtone. You tap on that, and whatever you set here will be the ringtone for all contacts at once. Make sure you tap on save to save the changes. Now for specific contacts, we are instead going to open the contacts app. Then you're going to select the contact that you want that custom ringtone for. You're then going to tap the triple dots at the top right and then select set ringtone. If you don't see this here, tap the pencil, then the set ringtone option will be available. Inside of this one, we set the ringtone, and this will only apply for the one contact you selected. So when they call you, you'll have that custom ringtone, which means you'll know that they called you. Make sure to tap on save to apply your changes. Now the custom ringtone is set.